जीवन का आधार विज्ञान हमें बतलाए, जीवन का आधार विज्ञान हमें बतलाए, हर जीवों का रहस्य प्रकृति से जुड़ जाए, पेड़ पौधे जीव जंतु सब मिलकर गाए, पेड़ पौधे जीव जंतु सब मिलकर गाए, जीव विज्ञान के संग आओ हम सब ज्ञान बढ़ाए, आओ हम सब ज्ञान बढ़ाए।
Very good morning to one and all present here. I am Shiva.
I am Mridula.
We are from PM Sri Kendriya Vidyalaya number 2 Vasco Goa, and we are here to present our art and technology integrated project on Learn Biology with art, technology, music and dance. Yes. So let us start with our presentation. It is like first we have to start like how or why the integration of art is important for the biology. My mic, please. And here, see, biology, it gives a structure. While music, art and dance, they are the expressions of life through that structure. Then technology, it enhances biological understanding through immersive and interactive tools. Then about the objectives. Obviously, we have to follow the implementation of NEP 2020. So there, paragraph 4, as I said, art integrated learning is there. Then about the integrating artistic elements into the classroom teaching. Then enhancing student engagement. That is the most important thing. Then fostering a joyful learning experience. Then innovative and inclusive education. Then strengthening holistic development, experiential learning in education system, attaining the learning outcomes such as critical and creative thinking, problem solving, critical and creative thinking again, then awareness, then development of domains, which all the domains we all know that cognitive, affective as well as psychomotor domains. Then strategies and implementation of AIM. So here you saw specific pedagogy based on content and concept clarity that we have focused. Then planning and conducting of art integrated learning activities. Then collaborated with the teachers of various subjects like art, music and even Hindi, like languages. So like that we have collaborated with the teachers. Then the resources that we are used, that is the cost effective and the local specific resources such as toys, pictures, magazines, then chart works as well as our nature itself. Our nature, our school garden is a very good ecosystem and even very good classroom, we can say. Then aesthetic approach we have added. Then obviously sensitization of the community. Then the methodology. So before starting a topic, then students also should be very much interested to do the art integrated and all. But we didn't say that this is art integrated learning and all because it should be there in their classroom practice. So what we have done, that we have asked ecosystem or any topic you select, we will do in different way. Obviously in biology, this is for class 12, the biology ecosystem chapter is there. They only prefer this topic, madam, we will do. So first discussion with the students because they feel comfortable with any of the topic. Then second, planning of the lesson. So lesson plan plays a very important role in that. So lesson planning, here experiential teaching, toy and ICT based pedagogy, then chart activity like footwear, food chain chart and all. Then display of original artworks, here you can see display of original artworks. Then music and dance composition with the help on the support of learners and even student dancers and even our music teacher. Then create an environmental awareness by integrating the topic, music and dance. Then the methodology procedure we have followed. So here first, it is not like a direct conversation, ecosystem is this and there are different types of ecosystem, natural, artificial learning. And instead of that, I have just taken to the virtual tool of the students. And and there we have shown the Amazon rainforest and then like the tropical rainforest, then desert ecosystem, and then ocean marine ecosystem, and then tundra biome, and then just a virtual tour we have gone for it, and the links already I have given. And through that virtual tour, they understood what is the ecosystem and all. So how I will come to know that they have understood. So then next PowerPoint presentation. Through that one, I have just shown the pictures without titles, ecosystem images, and that too using AI tool. Particularly, I have to thank this moment is yet Mumbai. Sir has given us that opportunity to learn about the Canva and all. So using AI tool and all, images we have created, and that images we have shown to the students, and they identified the ecosystem. Yes, so we came to know that something they understood. Then about the organisms, I told some examples from this ecosystem. So like that we have started. So they have just citing some examples, terrestrial ecosystem, this will be there. Then about the prey-predator relationship. Okay, our rabbit is there. Then who will come and attack the rabbit? So like that, we just started with the discussion. Then field visit to the school garden. I said, like, let us go to the school garden. They are obviously enthusiastic. So we have taken some toys and only a little toys I have brought here. You can see that one in the video presentation. And then role play, choice-based pedagogy, then two-dimensional pictorial activities, then digital game, then music composition, dance choreography, then involvement of stakeholders, then art, technology, music, and dance integrated learning. This is the procedure that we have followed. So here these are the pictures using Canva and what they have created, and these pictures identify the ecosystem and the organisms. Next. Yeah, and we have taken the students to the environment, that is school garden. This very is how they have arranged, and many students they are free to move in the school garden. And then you can see some like that of the monkey and all, and they are like predators, and girls they are doing dance performance. Okay, and here they are free to do anything because only these many students are there for the biology. So some students are absent also. So like that. See the smile in the face. This is what we need. As a teacher, like subject pressure we should not give. So this smile and this kind of activities, obviously they will give the smile. So then, next about the chart work, artistic thing. So here what we have done, I just showed the chart work. Here you can see only first thing got fit. The other one kept its space. And that arrow I put because they are doing that one. I am just facilitator only. Then I gave them because I have to know that whether the concept is clear or not. And then I just gave them and some pictures and the pictures I gave. So some pictures I have shown and the pictures it's they have to take. So these are some pictures, okay, like vaguely I have given that the pictures and all. You can paste any of the pictures and even you can use the toys and all. So they are very much free to do, and here all students are engaging. Not even any student is sitting and all, and they are trying to make the food chain a chart. And here you can see there after completion of tasks, everyone will be happiness. So that kind of happiness you can see in this one after the completion of the task. And that chart I have displayed over here where the students have done that work. See how much they are happy, isn't it? So each moment after completing each task, they should not feel that this is a very difficult task. So that discussion will be happening. Then next food web art. Here also you can see one student is engaging in that one. The others they are taking the pictures and they are trying to stick in that one. And purposefully what I have done, some pictures I very key of the top carnivores, because I have to know whether their critical thinking is there or they can able to solve that problem in that particular moment. So what they have done immediately, okay, pictures okay, no issue. Then they have taken the toys and they have completed the task. Okay, so there we can see the critical thinking and the problem solving in that moment. He is also explaining how the food chain or food web we can relate. And there the arrows and all, and even I am asking the question, he just explaining. So here my conventional teaching is not there. You cannot able to see everywhere I can see. No, nothing. But instead of that, they themselves are learning. We are just giving the platform only. And this is the educational game, and this is the link. And through this link, we can go for the game, and later I will share that link with everyone also, so that we can go for this game. And here, what are the many pictures are there? This also created by me itself. Okay, and here this is one ICT I want to use it. So here we can drag these pictures into the drag box, so they will learn. So here two modes are there, food chain and the food web mode, and they can create a food chain if they want, or they can create the food web. Okay, so it is a kind of game, so that they can drag the items into the drag box and they can connect. Next. So this is the final work of the food chain and the food web activity. And here, this is the posters, what we have done. Like that in a simple way, हम ecosystem awareness के लिए, like conservation of ecosystem, we just bring some posters related to that. Okay, so बच्चों ने posters बना के घर से बना के लेके आए थे. And here what happened? They were not knowing that this is for this purpose, and they prepared the posters and all, and they exhibited that one. But here, after they came to know that we got selected and we are going to Mumbai region, then immediately ma'am हमारा posters भी लेके जाइए. Okay, and what the thing is, they have done this collage. Okay, this collage is done by them, and they have cut their posters and they sticked each one here and there, and they have done this collage, and these very posters within 2 jobs they have completed. So this is a kind of, like we can say that they are also wanted as to be here. Okay, this is not like a teacher-student relationship. More than something is there. So we have achieved something that we can see. Next, so here, this is a small poem created by us, and even I am not that much good in the Hindi literature and all. So obviously, I have to take the AI tool, and AI tool, they created one poem, and it was a lot of mistakes. Then I took that poem and handed over to our music teacher. I told madam, we just do something, and I want to create very good music as well as dance competition. Now, next art music teacher, Mrs. Mridula Nanda will be explaining about how she had proceeded this work. Ma'am, please.
जीवन नाचे हर प्रहर, घास उगे जब छूती धूप को, यहीं से शुरू हो जीवन को. विषय को ध्यान में रखते हुए शब्दों को मैंने कुछ संजोया. मैडम ने मुझे कविता दी, कुछ शब्दों में कहीं आगे पीछे का आप तो जानते हैं कि जब हम ChatGPT से कुछ निकालते हैं तो इतना क्लियर नहीं. मैंने उसको अपने स्वर और ताल में बांधने के लिए शब्दों को थोड़ा समझाया और ये सिंपल सी धुन बनाई, और इसीलिए सिंपल बनाई ताकि बच्चे इजीली सीख सकें. इसमें देखिए आप पूरा फूड चेन से रिलेटेड ही सारे वर्ड्स आए हुए हैं. फिर मैंने बच्चों को प्रोजेक्टर के थ्रू उनको लिरिक्स पहले समझाए, उनको लिरिक्स दिखाए पहले, और एक एक लाइन को मैंने खुद गाकर बच्चों को
Thank you.
खिलाना होता ही है और वहाँ बहुत सारी चीज़ें हमें अवेलेबल हो जाती हैं। प्राइमरी वाले बच्चे काफ़ी मास्क बनाते रहते हैं, पेरेंट्स उनकी हेल्प करते हैं। तो इस तरह से हमने कुछ मास्क प्राइमरी से कलेक्ट किए और फिर बच्चों को हम म्यूज़िक रूम में लेके गए कि चलिए वहाँ एक थोड़ा सा डांस ड्रामा करते हैं। तो सारे बच्चे बड़े इंटरेस्टेड थे। ये हमारा प्रैक्टिस सेशन था कि बच्चे मास्क भी ले रहे हैं, बना रहे हैं। इसमें आप देख रहे हैं बच्चे कितने जॉयफुल लर्निंग चल रहा है। कुछ ग्रुप्स बना दिए, कुछ बच्चे सिंगिंग में इंटरेस्टेड थे, कुछ एक्ट करने में इंटरेस्टेड थे। वो बच्चा कीबोर्ड थोड़ा सा बजाना चाहता है तो मैंने कहा चलो उसको मैं कीबोर्ड बजाने देती हूँ। और कुछ गर्ल्स सिंगिंग के लिए इंटरेस्टेड है। ये जो हमारा म्यूजिक के साथ लर्निंग करना बच्चों के लिए बड़ा क्रिएटिव और बड़ा जॉयफुल हो जाता है। इसमें उनकी क्रिटिकल थिंकिंग्स भी है और क्रिएटिविटी भी है। कुछ बच्चे जो थोड़ा बहुत डांस जानते हैं, उससे मैंने कहा वन उपवन में आप उसको कैसे दिखाओगे, तो उन्होंने एक्शन करके दिखाया। वन उपवन में सागर तट पर जीवन नाचे हर तरह। तो इस तरह से हमने थोड़ा सा डांस को तैयार किया बच्चों के साथ।
syllabus, we have to go for the assessment. And here we have done the no judgment criteria. बच्चे इतना ही किया, this is very much big for us. So yeah, and self-assessment they can do, and even peer assessment, and then interactive game they can do, and even they can make a poster on wildlife conservation. And this assignment we have given so that some kind of ICT they can use, no, in future also. So like Adobe Express and even Canva, they are using that, using this one. They can make some assignments or posters. Some. Then about the observation and the conclusion. Yeah. The content, whether the content and the theme is appropriate for this. So here the plan for teaching ecosystem and this food chain, food web concept in biology class, whether we can integrate that one with the art, music, dance, and even technology. So that we have used. Then about the experiential learning and the toy-based pedagogy. Obviously, it created the interactive amount as well as the fun that we all have seen. Then relevance of the pedagogy. Here, as per the NDP as well as the CBSE norms, that point number I have mentioned over there. So we have the art integrated learning assignments. So we can use this also as part of that. Then they have gained the outcomes. Learning outcome is very important. And learning outcome, then community sensitization. So here comes the feedback of the student, and he himself was telling about his experience.
नमस्कार।
Next. Last में I will show that one. Then about the bibliography, obviously NCERT textbook, then Diksha portal, AI tools we have used, and some YouTube videos we have used. Then acknowledgement. Here we have the sincere gratitude to our Supreme Power and Kendriya Vidyalaya Sankatan, KVS RO, ZIAT Mumbai, and our respected principals, Mr. Narendra Singh Rathore, and trustful biology students, and all students, parents, and stakeholders, we can say, who are known, and everyone, those who have helped us for this one. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Wonderful.
If you allow that feedback, we can please.
केंद्रीय विद्यालय क्रमांक 2 वास्तुदाना गोवा का 12वीं कक्षा का छात्र हूँ और आज मैं आप सभी को हमारे जीव विज्ञान की कक्षा यानी बायोलॉजी की कक्षा में इकोसिस्टम को किस प्रकार आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग के माध्यम से समझाया गया और उसके बारे में बताया गया, इस बारे में अपने विचार रखने आया। हमने आर्ट इंटीग्रेटेड लर्निंग के तहत जीव विज्ञान के एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण विषय यानी इकोसिस्टम के बारे में हमने समझा। इसके लिए हमारी बायो की अध्यापिका शीला मैम हमें स्कूल के गार्डन में लेके गई और हमें अलग अलग ट्रॉफिक लेवल के जानवरों की भूमिका निभाने के लिए कहा। इसमें हमने उन जानवरों के बारे में जाना और खेल में मस्ती करते हुए एक दूसरे के साथ इकोसिस्टम में अलग अलग ट्रॉफिक लेवल के हर जानवर की जो भूमिका होती है और उनका कितना महत्व होता है, इस बारे में जाना। इसके बाद हमने हमारे जीव विज्ञान की कक्षा के दौरान दो चार्ट में फूड वेब और फूड चेन को अलग अलग जानवरों के खिलौने और उनके चित्रों को लगाकर एक चार्ट बनाया और उसे सबको दिखाकर समझाया। इसके बाद हमने हमारी संगीत की शिक्षिका मृदा मैम के साथ मिलकर एक इकोसिस्टम के बारे में, एक फूड चेन के बारे में जो एक गीत था उसको हमने सीखा और अच्छे तरीके से फूड चेन के बारे में पढ़ा। इसके बाद हमने इस गाने पर एक नृत्य भी किया और खूब मजे के साथ साथ नाचते नाचते हमने अलग अलग जानवरों की भूमिका।
So this is about the feedback kind of. Nice. Yes, class 12. Ecosystem chapter is there. Yes, sir, and even the simple way I can show like this in pollination. Always this type of, even I am also like a dancing movements I like very much. So I used to implement that also in the classroom. So pollination I will show you. Like this is the flower, okay, and the flower is there, and then we get some insect. So we can show simply. It is no need of explanation. Yeah.
Superb.
So this is a kind of a simple movement. They can understand the pollination. And if two students, I will make them to stand like this. Then here also, and like the simple movement we can show from here to here. So cross pollination and even self pollination we can show. And even very difficult topic, the translation and molecular genetics. So though translation है tRNA, I will use in like another technology like there ये शादी का एक माहौल create करेंगे and then tRNA they have to take the amino acid. Okay, from the amino acid pool. So what the tRNA will do, it will go in search of the amino acid. So this is the tRNA. I am the tRNA. I am going to the cytoplasm in search of amino acid. Okay, yes, I got that amino acid. Then I will take that one. Okay, and here one more concept is there. What is the need of amino acid tRNA synthetase? So he acts like that of the broker. So tRNA को कोई लेके आना है ना. So this tRNA will be taken by the amino acid tRNA synthetase and it will take this one in search of amino acid and yeah, amino acid I got. Then I will take that one to the tRNA. Now हाथ जोड़ दिया and then okay broker का काम हो गया. Then they will go. Now this tRNA will carry this amino acid and it will take to the ribosome. So ये ना this.
How much time do you?
मैम एक्चुअली ट्रांसलेशन के लिए बहुत बड़ा टाइम चाहिए बट इफ यू आर डूइंग लाइक दिस एक क्लास में ट्रांसलेशन करना है नाउ इन सिंपल मैनर यू अंडरस्टूड हाउ द tRNA acts like that of the adapter this didn't take that much of time
Like the activities and everything you do in this sector. How long did it take?
Actually here during the class our practical period I have used biology practicals are there no other teachers class I disturbed that is the main thing.
One day or 2 days?
Ma'am, it takes like 8 periods correctly if you have to say 8 periods.
8 periods.
Yeah.
One chapter.
Yeah, for this because dance they have to create, we have to think, we have to discuss about this poem, we have to compose.
So 8 periods for one chapter.
Only for this ecosystem.
No. So if you make something like this creative for many chapters, not
Many
all,
chapters.
I would not say all chapters.
Yeah, and there, so as per this picture, we have provided 8 periods of there for the ecosystem. So I have completed, tried to complete that.
That is what I was.
Yes.
Because
Obviously,
if
we
you
have to
spend
follow
much
that
time
previous.
for all the chapters, will you be able to cover everything
Yes,
one time?
yes. And now we have to stop here ecosystem. Now next my chapter is biodiversity, and then one more chapter is there organism and population and especially last. So 2 chapters are remaining. So here we stop there.
First of all, it's a fantastic opening
Thank you.
and very good presentation.
Thanks.
And after 2 minutes, become monotonous for us. For
Yes,
me,
sir.
monotonous means. Third is, in between, we become initially, we have like haphazard kind of speaking. It should be smooth. After 2-3 become maybe some. I don't know what it is, but something
Yeah.
it become you become very random kind of speaking start. Okay. How many students are there in class?
Total 13 students are there.
And boys?
30. Boys we have 3. Like 4 boys are there.
According to you, what is the most innovative new online learning process? Whatever you say.
Pardon? Question I think.
New innovative thing you
Yes.
have added. According to you.
According to the innovation, that is first one, we can see that the music composition. That is, you cannot see this type of composition anywhere because that is our innovation. That poem as well as music and dance choreography also we have done with the help of the student dancers. So that is also the innovation thing. So एक concept and even like a biology we can also teach like this. So that type of through this our innovative method we have shown that one. And obviously this we can see that inclusive education. So all type of students we have involved. And if they can't able to dance, they can act like that of the tiger or even snake. This is something like.
If I ask you how you are going to explain ecosystem, what will you?
Yes, sir. Here that's why all animals together in one. That in that poem he said that last sentence is there. We should not break that one. all organisms, and we are also the part of ecosystem. And so it's our duty to conserve and prevent the ecosystem. And this is what ecosystem is. All animals together, they are sharing their interrelationships with both biotic and abiotic system.
Wonderful.
In 12th standard, if you do like dancing and all, students like it or students
And they are
like it?
enjoying.
Yeah.
Really, they are enjoying.
ऐसे क्लास में जब मैं गई उसके रूम में तो मैं कहती आप मैडम आप कौन सा डांस करना है
Like they will enjoy, and you can see the practice session.
No, here I can see
Yeah.
they are enjoying, but
Yeah,
generally,
generally.
12th standard students, do they like all these activities?
And actually, they are like, okay, JEE, NEET, everything is there, that pressure is there. This is a good relaxation for them. Okay,
And
and
they just take it as a fun activity.
yes, fun activity. And along that, we have to concentrate on the concept also. So, learning also, going in this side is fun also. So that we have to give a very free space for them. So that they can interact with me. ये step नहीं चाहिए, वो step करेंगे हम. Like that they used to interact.
How
How
many
free
classes
is
do
it?
you teach? How many classes?
Class 7, then 11th and 12th.
Do you get enough time to do
Sure.
to 7th also? And
7th also my syllabus is per annum, actually.
In some video, please remove background noise.
Sure.
Like you have removed or you have recorded very good in that video, maybe some dance, drama, PPT, one slide is there now. You are matching with your lyrics with background noise. Before that one video is there, completely means background noise is too much. Music basically, okay? And last is please add page number at the bottom, not at the top.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.